Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be unboxing GLAMEGO box for this month, December. And if you're interested in knowing what all I have received this month in this box, then continue watching. And if you're new here, this is Pavithraiyer. I make videos related to beauty, fashion, makeup, everything good stuff. So if you like what you see, please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon beside the red button so that you won't miss any further notification. So without any further ado, let's get started into the unboxing video. This is how the box looks like. It says Merry Christmas and it has this Santa Claus theme going on. And at this side they have mentioned GLAMEGO as usual, and it's a magnetic box. So when we open, you get this card which fell unfortunately. So this is the card which says refill your favorites up to 4,500 products for rupees 399. It says a limited edition box and you need to grab it super soon before it goes out of stock. And at the back they have 5 points which says hashtag refill, favorite makeup, fragrance or mini makeup, daily skin regimen, masks or scrub, sample to try. So you can choose anything you want to in this month and you can add it to your box. Let me go through with my products, and first thing I have is this body mist from BioBloom, and it says for all skin types, and it also says Valley of Flowers, Orchid and Marigold, and this is how the mist looks like. So this is the second time I'm repurchasing this mist. It has a refreshing smell and it stays like for really long time. So I really like this smell. So this is the first thing I have. Next I have is this lip scrub from Secrets, and this is the third time I'm repurchasing this scrub. So I really like this scrub and it works really good for your dry chapped lips. And yeah, so this is how this scrub looks like. So I forgot to mention, this body mist retails for 450 rupees and this scrub retails for 261. Next thing I have is this activated charcoal detox face mask. It says a deep pore detoxifying face mask which cleanses and brightens skin from Neemly. So this is how the face mask looks like, and it retails for 300 rupees. So let me just open and see how it looks from inside. It's a charcoal powder, as you can see. So you need to mix with rose water or normal water and you can apply it on your face and neck. So this is the third product. Then next thing I have is this BioBloom hand and body lotion with natural actives, and this is in lavender. So it says free from parabens, sulfate and petrochemicals. So this is how the body lotion looks like. Okay, it smells exactly like lavender as they have said. Let's just try this body lotion this winter. Next thing I have is this Vortex Ultra Hydrating Rejuvenating Sleeping Mask, Rise and Shine. So this is how the mask looks like. It's a luxurious product and you get luxurious products for just $3.99 or $2.99, and you can really give it a shot because Vortex is a luxurious brand where they sell only in Sephora. So yes, this is the sleeping mask. And the last thing I have is this Ellen Blue Crayon Gel Eyeliner. This is in the shade Emerald Green. So I have it in blue as well, and this eyeliner works really good. So it's super duper creamy pencil, like I'll show you guys right now, and it's super pigmented as well. So I have it right now on my eyes and I really like this shade. It really looks pretty and classy. So yeah, this is the last thing which I have in this December box. That was all the products I received in this December box. So if you want to buy this box, I'll provide the link in the description box so that you can directly click on the link and get your box as well. With that being said, I'll finish this video. Thank you all so much for watching.